Initial impressions, how's it drive? You've driven it 3 feet. Well, hey, welcome back to Doug's Cars, or I should say good morning. It is dark 30 here in Doug's Cars headquarters, and have I got a great program for you today. I haven't been up this early for a car collection caper since I went to Kansas to pick up the M3. I've got a buddy in town. He just bought one of his dream cars on Bring a Trailer, and we are headed down to southeastern Virginia to pick it up. And we got to be there before 8:30 in the morning, which is when the guy leaves. So stay tuned. You're going to stick along for this road trip. It's going to be a blast. All right, well, so I'm here in the car with Thomas. We are on 460 headed down to Chesapeake, Virginia to pick up one of his dream cars. What is one of your dream cars that we're picking up here?
It is a 2005 S2000.
Honda S2000. So rear-wheel drive, manual. It's that really nice blue color?
Suzuka Blue.
Okay, yeah, I couldn't remember the name of it. So
yep.
And you got this on Bring a Trailer, right? Which
correct. Yep.
I mean,
a couple weeks ago.
That's really cool. Yeah. I've known people who sell on Bring a Trailer, but I've never known anybody who's bought on Bring a Trailer. So we had to be at this guy's house by 8:30, so we left super early. It's finally bright enough to actually turn the camera on, which is crazy. I've been driving in the dark for the last hour and a half. And our next stop is there. Hopefully the guy has it out front, and you've got all your paperwork and a tag. We're just gonna throw that on, hit the road, and bring it back.
Ready to go.
And yeah, because the guy has to like make a flight or something. So yeah.
Crazy morning.
I think we're gonna take it to a parking lot and kind of go over the car a little bit, maybe grab some McDonald's breakfast because I don't know, I'm starving. I don't know about you.
I am.
But I can't wait to see this car. Yeah, that's true. That's exactly what we need. There's a cop over here. Lovely. Hopefully he's not actually in the car. I don't think there's anybody in it. This road is notorious for all these little burgs having cops sitting in them, and yeah. He's not pulled out. Okay, I think we're good. I was only going 48 to 35 and filming, but I did have my eyes on the road, just not on the cop. So,
glad I saw him.
Stay tuned. You're gonna see this car in a second. I can't wait. Is it out there? Is it out front?
It's in the driveway.
In the garage. Right, oh, he's got a Stelvio. Wow, fancy. There it is.
Sweet.
No tag on it. We'll grab the
screwdriver.
Screwdriver in the trunk. Excellent.
Let's do it.
This really is a nice shape. There's a little bit of a scuff mark here, but everything else looks really cool on this. And the good thing is he can actually take that front bracket off because he's got South Carolina tag. I used to have one myself. It helps with not having front plates. Interior is in really nice shape. Top's in good shape. Yeah. This guy's got to hit the road. They're going out of town, so we're going to toss the tag on this as soon as they're done finalizing the paperwork and get on out of here and go test this out, probably in a McDonald's parking lot. And hopefully he'll let me have a go because I have never ever ridden in or driven one of these, and I'm looking forward to it a lot. So I'll bring you along for the ride, of course. I almost feel good to do that. Yeah, they should plug right in. Yeah. Alright, there's the first back out of the garage. I'm getting out of his way because the driveway narrows a little tiny bit here. And wow, Thomas has finally gotten a new car. He had a Civic Si, one of the UK built ones for a long time, and since new. Really neat car, and it unfortunately got totaled, and yeah, he's been waiting for a new car for a while, and this is a good upgrade on that. Initial impressions, how's it drive? You've driven it 3 feet. You're gonna put the top down?
Pretty sweet.
Handbrake has to be up.
Oh yeah.
Top down. All right, there you go. So it really is a power top. So it's got those gauges, yeah. I know, I've seen those retrofitted into, gosh, I forget this. Some guy retrofitted in. Follow me down to the Mickey D's, I guess. And
yep.
All right, cool.
Or you want to go Chick-fil-A?
Oh, that same exit, yeah.
Yeah.
No worries. All right, let's do that. Go there. Pardon me. Do you have any Grey Poupon?
I do.
Okay. Surprising because it's really kind of a Rolls Royce thing, but yeah. Throw some revs in it. sounds good. Yeah,
really good.
The rev counter is cool too. Yeah, it sounds really good. All right, well, we're gonna get something to eat. Join us in a little bit when we'll be back on the road. My pleasure. Well, y'all, I've been handed the key to the S2000 and told that I can take it around the parking lot. So this is my first time in one. I always love how that sounds like an alarm clock in Hondas. Oh, that's right. It has a start button. A key with a start button. Interesting. Lights on. Let's see, reverse. Down and over. Nobody around. Got it in reverse. Cool. It is really hard to see backing up, mainly because of the top, I think. But wow, this is short throws. Wow, really short throws. It makes my car feel like the throws are 3 miles long. I could drive this. This is not, the windshield header is low, but it's not unbearably so. The clutch is okay. I'm a little cramped. I might have to put the seat back a little bit further, but I'm enjoying this. You can probably hear the rain on the roof. It is starting to rain, unfortunately. Second, I'm just here in the parking lot at a Target. Yeah, this is neat. The brakes are pretty good. I like this. I don't think they stop. Nope, they don't. So it's definitely like not a lined top like I was used to from my old M3 that I got from Hoovy. It's just cloth. So when it's raining, you can hear it. I asked Thomas if he was going to drive back with the top down, and he said yes, but I don't think that's going to happen now. Yeah, this is neat. Into third. I like this. I'm spinning around here. Man, the heat is cranking. Turning circle is nice. Oh wow, so much better than the M4, which is of course a much larger car, but also has giant wide tires on it. So this is really cool. He may not be taking this home with him. No, I'm just kidding. This is definitely, he deserves this car. He had that cute little SI for such a long time. It was such a neat ride, and someone totaled it on him, and he hasn't had a ride in a while, and this is a perfect upgrade and replacement for the terrible thing that happened to that neat car. I mean, it was just a fun little ride. They made those in Swindon outside London. Pretty sure these were made in Japan. Let me know in the comments if you know where these were made, but I'm pretty sure it's Japan. So I am back now at the parking lot, and it is pouring rain. So that was a fun ride. Maybe he'll let me take it out on the highway later. We'll see. If I do take it out on the highway, you'll be along. But I don't know if I want to if it's raining. But yeah, cool car. I enjoyed that. And that's the key to the S2000. Oh, he goes on a power pole. Oh, I can't keep up with the S2000 even in 6th. Oh no, wait, I can. What a nice car. I'm so sorry it's raining. There's so much more fun we could have with that car if it wasn't raining. Although we could have a lot of fun with it in the rain too. I don't think he'd like that though. Just guessing. Time for me to pass on him. All right, y'all, I got the permission to go on the road, and just got some gas here, and I get to take this out on the road, which is awesome. And oh. Here we go. Oh, this shifts so nicely. I really like this car. I am so glad that I said, hey, mind if I take this out on the highway a little bit? Oh, so nice to go through the, seriously, the shifter moves like 2 inches and you're in the other gear. It's fantastic. All cars should be like this. Remember to save the manuals. 2 manual cars today, both of which were bought used, but still, we're saving manuals. You should save manuals too. This is such a fun car. I totally get this, and it's so analog and precise, and it's like a bolt action rifle, like snick right into gear. It's so much smoother than on the M4, and I know Hondas are known for fantastic shifters, and this is definitely better than the one on the M4, although, oh, this actually is a 6-speed too. Oh, this is so nice. It sounds good too. It sounds really good for a 4-cylinder. Obviously it's rear-wheel drive, which is also something we need to be saving. Everything's front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive now, but this is really cool. There's 6. All right, perfect. First time putting this car in 6th gear, for me anyway. I wish it wasn't raining. It is not my car, and of course, also brand new car. So I'm not going to do anything ridiculous in this, obviously, that I would do maybe in the M4 because that's mine. But I'm going to turn around and head back. Oh wow, the brakes are good too. Oh yeah, this is just a fun ride. If you get the opportunity to drive an S2000, I would say take that opportunity. Oh, the steering is so good and precise, and the turning circle. I know I mentioned that earlier when I was driving around the parking lot. It's just fantastic. I mean, I'm jaded because the M4s is so bad because the wheels are so wide, but and don't get me wrong, it's a fantastic handling car. I love that car. I bought it for a reason. But try to get it in some. The problem is that's only 5,000 revs in 4th gear, and I'm going Mexico speeds. So nice. And I know these things. I mean, the red line's 8,000 in this. What a fantastic car. Props to Thomas for going out and getting this and spending the money for a car that he really has wanted for a long time. When these came out, I thought they were good looking, but they weren't really my cup of tea. That was also a long time ago when I wasn't really into these kinds of things. But I actually fit in this car too. I thought this was gonna be like a Miata, which for me, like the windshield header is here, and it is low, but I've got like 6 inches. I have more headroom in this than in my M4. I could totally drive this car. Nah, I'm not swapping. And you'd have to come up with a bunch of cash. But what a cool ride. I'm so glad I got to come along on this trip with him and pick this up. And now it's time for us to head back to Richmond. And yeah, cool ride. Well, we made it back to Richmond, obviously. I mean, this car is not gonna skip a beat. So my part of the car collection caper is now over because Thomas is gonna take it back to South Carolina and I won't be along for that. But I'm so glad I got to experience this really cool vehicle. Any final thoughts?
No, it was a wonderful day. Thanks for taking me down there.
Oh yeah, no worries. Yeah.
It was super early. The rain sucked, but
yeah, at least the top's down now.
the top is down, and it's a lot of fun. So, save the manuals.
Yep, I can only agree with that. And we stopped by Sports Car Workshops. They took a quick look at it, and everything looks good. And we're gonna fix the little issue there with the front license plate frame that's unnecessary. So once again, thanks y'all so much for watching Doug's Cars. I will keep bringing you fun content as long as I can, and please like, share, and subscribe, and just appreciate each and every one of you watching. Thanks.